try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to it.
Hey Sister Squad, welcome back to another video on the Alexis Michala channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, feel free to leave a comment, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I am Alexis Michala. As you can see from the title of this video, Reborn Olivia got a new car seat, and so right now I am just cleaning it, sanitizing it, and making sure that it's clean for her, so that when she gets in it she has no problems. So just a little bit of backstory about the car seat. I did get this car seat from Facebook Marketplace, so someone local in my area was selling this car seat, so I got it for a really good steal. So as you guys can tell, this is a car seat by EVENFLO. It's a SafeMax car seat, and it is compatible with the EVENFLO Pivot modular travel system. So I'm currently in the process of finding the actual stroller piece so that I can take her on walks and things like that. So look out for that video, that will be coming soon. This car seat also came with the infant insert piece, which you'll see later on in the video how I put that on. It was a little bit messy, but nothing that wouldn't fix with just throwing it in the washing machine. So that's where it is currently right now. But I'm going to be also adjusting the straps on the seatbelt so that it fits perfectly to her. So if you guys want a more detailed video about how I adjusted this straps on the seatbelt, please let me know down in the comment section. Okay guys, so as we wrap up this video, I just want to say please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, click the notification bell so you do not miss any new videos that I upload. Also, feel free to leave a comment. Again with the also, but follow me on Instagram and TikTok at I am Alexis Michala, and until next time, have a good day.
Stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next?
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave